Bodie, look. No? You don't want the toy? You don't want the rope toy? Yeah, so we just got here, guys. We got here a little bit late at about 5 p.m. Normally we're here like 4:30, 4:40. It's a little bit cool out here. The wind is blowing pretty good. Don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but yeah, the wind is blowing pretty good, as you can probably see by the trees. But yeah, I'm surprised that there's as many people up here as there are right now. Hopefully more people show up. Bodie, you don't want to play with the rope toy, huh? Bodie. Bodie. Look. Hey. No, I guess he doesn't want this rope toy. Maybe I'll see if he'll want to play with something else. Here's a ball over here. Maybe he'll want to fetch. Bodie! Bodie, come! No. No, you're not here to hunt gophers. Come on, Bodie, let's go now. Bodie, look. Bodie, you want it? Bodie, come on, get the ball. No, he's just like in hunting mode right now. Hey. Look, you want the ball? You want it? Or you want the rope toy? You want the ball? No, he didn't really want it that bad. Didn't even grab it. Ah, you finally want the rope toy, huh? Bodie, come on, this way. Let's go. Let's go, Bodie. No. Come on, Bodie. Good boy. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy, Bodie. Okay, it's all yours. No gophers, Bodie. No. Bodie, look. Bodie, look. Good boy. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Good boy, Bodie. No, that doesn't mean go to the gophers. No. Hey, leave it. No. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to pull him out of this hole. Hey. No. No. No, you're not going to do the gophers. No. Come on, Bodie. Come on, Bodie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bodie. Come on. Come on. Bodie, come on. No, no gophers. No. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, guys, so that's about as much as I can do right now with the tug of war because, yeah, it's starting to wear on my back a little bit. Hey, no. Don't go to the gophers. No. No gophers. Hey, no. No. You just can't resist, can you? I think my dog needs to go to gopher rehab. Hey, no. Enough of that. No. No. Come on. Let's see, maybe he'll chase this thing. Hey, Bodie, look. You want this? You want it? You want it? Get it. No? All right. How are you doing? Okay. How's she doing today? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. She's not sad because she's not over here, is she?
Maybe a little bit. Yeah, but I have to wait until it's fully healed.
I see.
And even then, I need to gradually integrate her.
Yeah. She likes it over there, though, right?
Yeah, she's good in fields. There's one next to where I live.
Yeah.
And she loves running.
Okay.
Yeah, she loves open space.
Yeah.
But
Hey, Dottie.
I just want her to be around familiar dogs if I do come in.
I see. Yeah.
Well, you don't have aggression in him at all. He doesn't have what? He doesn't have aggression. He's a service dog.
What breed is he?
Blue nose bully.
Oh, okay. Wow. He's
Blue
beautiful.
nose and American bully mix.
Okay. Wow. So blue nose pit bull mixed with American bully?
That's correct.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the mom's the blue nose and the dad's American bully.
Wow. What's his name?
Zeus the first.
Zeus the First. Okay,
Yeah.
so he has some offspring.
No,
Okay.
he will soon.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
we just got him a little girl.
I
So
see.
yeah, we're
Okay.
looking forward to
Okay.
breeding him. But yeah, he is Zeus the first.
So Zeus the First, so there will be a Zeus Jr. in the
Yep.
future. Okay, cool.
Unless they're all gold dogs.
Yeah, exactly.
What's his age?
He's a year 6 months.
Okay. You know what? You can still name the girl Zeus. You know, George Borman has all those kids named George and Georgina and Georgette. And... Hey, no, you're not going to do that. No. Bodie, come.
So what breed is the female?
No.
She's a blue nose mixed with red nose.
Oh, okay. Also,
No, honestly, the dad's a full breed from red nose.
okay.
I think the mom.
Come on, Bodie. Don't inspect the baby. No.
Mama right there.
There's a baby in there, right? Not a little dog.
No, the baby.
Oh, okay. First time I ever saw that was in downtown LA at the Grove. I'm thinking, okay, there's a baby in the stroller, and it was a Pomeranian.
Yeah, when he was a pup, we had a little stroller for him as well.
Oh, okay. And the Pomeranian had a diamond necklace on. I'm pretty sure it was real, too.
My bad. It's on the stroller for a reason.
Yeah. Have you seen that before? People who put diamond necklaces on their dogs?
And I've seen the baby stroller along with the dog too.
Oh, yeah.
There was a little lady walking her little dog.
Yeah.
I saw them when she was picking up the poop after the dog, and they see her pick up the dog, and then she places it in the stroller. And he's just
Oh my gosh.
small dog.
Six
That's
baby.
And this was a design.
funny.
It was a designer baby stroller.
Oh, was it?
too. Yeah.
This one was, I didn't recognize it as whatever, but I still thought it was funny.
Yeah, it was at the Grove in Los Angeles.
Okay.
And yeah, there were quite a few people who would go down there, and they were rich people. They had a lot of money, and at the time I was working in the store. I'm trying to remember the name of this store, but it was a store for females. But the thing is, like, the largest size in that store was probably like a size 6. A size 6, that's pretty thin, right? That's like. Yeah, I remember one time these like plus size girls like walked in there. I'm like, and I don't like what they see. They go in, they look around for like 5 minutes, and they just laugh because the stuff was so tiny.
To walk in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember. I can't remember the name of that store.
It's like a teen store.
Oh no, it was for adults. And then it was funny because you see these older men come in there like. About like in their 60s or even 70s. They come in there with like this young girl with them, like probably about like 21, 22, maybe 24. And you think it was their dad? You think it was their dad or their grandfather? Yeah, it was their sugar daddy.
That's a spot, man.
Hey, no, out of there now. Leave it! Yeah, he's addicted to gopher holes. Man, I can't remember the name of that store.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, every day being in that store, though, that was torture, though, being in there.
Yeah.
I was working security there.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
You were working security for the whole place, but you were just over there.
Yeah, just that one store. I guess the stuff was so overpriced. I guess they're worried about shoplifting.
Oh, that's part of
I
the
wish I
attraction.
remember the name of that store.
Part of the attraction. That's hilarious.
If the name of that store comes to
good.
me, I'll tell you guys. But
All right, I'll look it up. Grove and
yeah, the Grove in Los Angeles. There's the Grove Los Angeles. I think there's the Grove Anaheim, Orange County, or something like that. Yeah, but yeah, guys, sorry I can't remember the name of that store. I wish I could. But yeah, all that merchandise was way overpriced, and
etc., etc.
And yeah, it was like there weren't very many females that could actually fit in those clothes. That's how tiny the.
Yeah, they expect the average size person that always is around that area to go there.
Right. Even the parking, it was so crazy because you have to pay for the parking, and the parking rate was outrageous. So I don't know. Okay, so Bodhi sees the treat guy over there. Bodhi, I don't think he has any treats for you. How are you doing today? I'm doing all right. Hey, Julio, welcome. Those shoes look a little bit fancy for the dog park.
I know. I didn't have a chance to fix my shoes. I didn't have a chance to fix my shoes.
Good boy, Bodhi. Oh no!
oh my goodness.
Well, she's successful. She made me flinch.
It's just after.
Hey, you might want to do that. It's because that dog that's in the cage, I don't think it really likes it.
I told him, you know when they jumped in. Go for it. Talk to this guy.
We'll see what happens. I mean, I see people come in all the time, their dog's barking in the cage. But I don't know, this one I get like a different sense off of him, and I think maybe yeah, the leash, and maybe the owner has some nerves.
Yeah, he's anxious. And he's on the other side of the fence.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
a little more bold.
Yeah, and it's like, it seems like it's like building up too, because it's been a lot of time in the cage.
He's winding him up behind him.
Yeah.
I think once you get running the ball, you're going to run into the ball. Someone's kind of wagging like he wants to come in. He's anxious. He's a little nervous too, trying to break him out.
Yeah, definitely, and he's still on the leash.
Because he's kind of not sure if he wants to let him in.
Yeah.
He's agitating. He's getting ready to throw him in the net.
Yeah, guys, I was going to wrap up this video, but now I'm just filming to see, uh-oh, he's bringing them in on the leash. I don't know about that. Well, it looks like he's acting okay. Still, he's on the leash. I don't know. Yeah. It's a nice looking dog, though. Hey, you're digging again. Knock it off. No. No. Yes, I was talking to you, exactly. I think he's going to let him off the leash, I think.
I think he's just nervous, so he's not going
Yeah.
to. Hey, Richard.
Ah! Whoa, that was a close call.
It's funny when these creatures spot him from a distance. He's looking, he's staring at me.
Come on, Bodie, let's go. Let's go, Bodie. All right, guys, looks like we're going to wrap this up. Poor dog still on the leash over there. Bodie, come on, let's go up. Now. No. Leave it. I think he's trying to chew some grass over there. Hey, come on. Let's go, Bodie, up. No, let's go. Good boy, Bodie. Hey, sit. No. Bodie, sit. Okay, so he's gonna make me walk around over here. Make sure we get your good side, Bodie. Okay, guys, so we're going to do a wrap on this video. We appreciate you watching. Hopefully we captured something that you guys enjoyed seeing. If you can, please press that like button. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, and also make sure that notification bell's on. And we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodie. We truly appreciate that. Along with those of you who play Bodie's playlist, that is a great help, and we truly appreciate it. And thank you to everyone who's pressed the thanks button and have donated to Bodie. We appreciate that. Hey, no! No! Bodie, come! Let's go, Bodie. Let's go. Up. Sit. No. Yeah, so as I was saying, thank you to everyone who has pressed the thanks button and has donated to Bodie. And before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who watched previous videos and left comments. Cool Wolf, Sabine Farber, Stephanie S, Cat's Eyes, Suzette Cray, Catherine Starbird, Patty, Lady L, Kayla Scholes, and Zeke Rogers. We appreciate you all. So we're going to try to get into a second video. Man, the wind is really whipping up out here. But yeah, we'll try to get into that second video for you guys. Again, thank you guys for tuning in for this one. We hope everyone is doing well, and we hope we'll see you on the next episode.